everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about our automotive waterproof switch. Greetech is a professional automotive switch manufacturer with over 14 years experience. We are supplying the automotive switch with small and compact size, roughly including two types. One is snap action switch, another one is slide switch with sliding contact structure. At the moment, every single switch before leaving our factory is built with automation, and each one is 100% tested by the testing machine. Take this opportunity, I would like to briefly introduce our G304A slide switch used in car visor. Please have a look at the picture. Our switch is assembled with cables and connectors, which is installed into the car visor. Each visor uses two these G304A switch assemblies. The two switches control the light on and off through pressing the switch lever. A sun visor is a component of an automobile located on the interior just above the windshield, also known as the windscreen. They're designed with a hinged flap that is adjustable to help shield the eyes of drivers and passengers from the glare of sunlight. If you want to know more details, please contact us through the following website and email. Thank you for watching.